In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a WordPress backup. If something on your site breaks after an update or a change, a backup can save hours of troubleshooting. I'll walk you through a clean, reliable restore using the backups you already have in WordPress, so you can return your site to a known good state with confidence. First, log into your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator privileges. Once you're in, you'll use your backup plugin to handle the entire process. I'll reference Updraft Plus as an example because it's widely used, but the overall flow is similar in most backup tools. Open your backup plugin's settings page. In Updraft Plus, you'll see it in the dashboard menu, typically under Settings, labeled Updraft Plus Backups. On that screen, look for the section called Existing Backups. This area lists the backups the plugin has created, along with their timestamps and what they include, such as the database, plugins, themes, uploads, and other files. Take a moment to check the date and time so you pick a snapshot from before the issue started. If you're unsure, the most recent backup that predates the problem is usually your best option. Click Restore next to the backup you want. The plugin will prepare the restore and may prompt you to choose which components to bring back. If the problem affects content, settings, or users, restoring the database is often essential. If a plugin or theme update caused layout or functionality issues, include plugins and themes too. If media files went missing, include uploads. When in doubt, leaving the default selections will perform a full, comprehensive restore. Now confirm the restore. You'll see a summary of what's about to happen. Go ahead and confirm. Keep the browser tab open and let the process run without refreshing or navigating away. Depending on your hosting and the size of your backup, this can take several minutes. You'll see progress messages as files are unpacked and the database is updated. When it finishes, you'll get a success message indicating the restore completed. That's it. You've restored your WordPress site from a backup. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Try to run restores during low traffic times to reduce impact on visitors. And remember, a restore replaces current data with the older snapshot from that backup state, so recent changes will be rolled back. It also helps to label backups with brief notes when you create them, making it easier to pick the right point in time later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you recover your site quickly and safely.